Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Google Pixel for a 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup with the screen and then insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. And also, we are using isopropyl alcohol to dissolve the glue on screen edges. Be gentle in this process and cut the adhesive using a upright tool. Next, lift the LCD screen gradually to about 90-degree angle from the top. And then pull out the LCD connected adhesive and bracket using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the LCD connector to free the broken screen from the body. Next, clean the frame edges and ensure there are no broken pieces of glass and adhesive. Next, place and connect the new LCD screen display to the body. Next, connect the LCD connector bracket and place the adhesive. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Next, gently slide in the screen from the bottom to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen to the body. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.